everyone, it's time for Abbie Wabbit.
So what are we doing today?
We are opening up Harry Potter Kinder Eggs. I'm sure you saw our last video, but we're doing another one because we want to see which one we get now. We want to see if we get anyone new.
So this time we have 7 more Harry Potter Kinder Eggs. And we're hoping for somebody new. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna bust them open.
Oh no!
Oh no, Mad Eye Moody. So number 1.
One-Eye Moody. I mean Judy.
Mad Eye.
Mad-Eye Moody. Harry Potter!
Harry Potter.
What?
Oh no. Professor McGonagall.
Harry Potter!
Another Harry. You would think Harry would be like the hardest one to get. But nope, he's the easiest one to get.
Hagrid. He's the giant.
He's the giant.
Why is there so much we already got? 2 more chances for Professor Snape.
Oh
And new
yeah.
ones.
Oh no.
We're getting twins.
Mad Eye.
We're getting twins.
We are getting twins.
Oh, and let you just know, we only have one more.
One more.
And you can also put these on your Christmas tree because they're hangers. So you can have a Harry Potter Christmas, like how we are. He has 2 twin brothers.
Harry.
Harry does not have 2.
Ron.
Yes!
We got another Ron.
We got all the same ones.
Alright, so nobody new this time. So we got duplicates of what we already had, but at least we got more ornaments for the tree.
Thanks for watching. Bye!